Hey guys, I'm Joshua Atkins. I'm the maintenance manager here at South Shore Lakes. What I wanted to talk about was how to negotiate and manage your vendors and your contractors that you're using at your properties, and the success I've had with changing properties. And one of my passions is meeting new people and creating relationships, and I feel like that's extremely important not only with your employees, coworkers, but also with your vendors. If you do create that relationship, it gives you more freedom to negotiate, especially with what you're needing to get done, the repairs you need to get done, painting, whatever, cleaning. It's important to have that constant communication and constant relationship with them. And I moved properties, and I had vendors call me, say, "Hey, where'd you go? Let's." Trying to follow me, to this property now, which is, I bring that up to say that, it's important to, like I said, to create that relationship, so that way wherever you go, you have those vendors with you. It's also important, it's good to have a backup, for plumbing leaks, emergencies, but it's also extremely important to price shop, especially for non-emergency repairs, concrete repair, light fixtures, different stuff like that. It's important to get different prices around. And I have, 3 or 4 vendors that I go to get proposals and quotes from them for different repairs. And it comes down to the lowest price, but you can negotiate with your vendors. And listen, I have this for $250. Can you bring it down to price? Can you match price? This guy can do it for this. What about, can you do it for that? So it's constant communication, and another important aspect is being understanding. It's not good to be demanding all the time. There's a time for it whenever they're not doing their work. Obviously they're not showing up and they're not being professional, and they're doing sloppy work. There's a time to be, sort of demanding, like, hey, this was supposed to get done yesterday. But there's also a time to be understanding and understand where they're coming from and being patient with them. And that's why it goes back to creating that relationship, because when you do, you have more freedom to negotiate, and you're able to talk to them about their struggles. Hey, this guy didn't show up, or he showed up and did sloppy work. So what can be done about it? I need this done, by today. And if you're like, I need this done, bum, 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 all the time, you're going to see a difference in the work that they do, obviously. So, but yeah, that's what the success I've had is, shopping around for different prices, getting different vendors, quotes from them. But then, going back to that relationship, you got to create it so that way you have more success with them, and you have more freedom. So thank you for watching, and you have a great day.